dangerous. No, Matt. We can go around the other way. Want to go out around this way? Can't go in there, no. I'm sorry. There's electricity and water and all kinds of things, yeah. You're safe in the car because the tire's insulated from the electricity. I mean, right there, look, there's an electrical pipe and there's water. We're not going to go over there. Let's go. We can go around. Little Smatty. There's little Smatty right there. Are you walking, little Smatty? Go, little Smatty. That's who. Okay, now you can go on this side and look at it, see? Littlest Matthew, that's who. Where's it? Oh yeah. All done. Please enter your code. 642. Thank you. Please drive forward. Thank you for your business. We did it backwards in reverse. Okay, man. You smell? You smell? I'm gonna smell. I'm so sorry. I know you're mad. Goodness gracious. We have to do first school, then Lions. Show Lions New Hall. Show Lions New Hall, we can walk inside, huh? Not in here. No, no, no. Nope. We gotta do first school, then show Lions New Hall. And show Lions New Hall, we can walk inside. Littlest Matthew, that's who. My littlest Matthew, huh? Are you really the littlest Matthew? Oh, here goes another car. Okay. Careful. Move your hand. Matthew, that's who. Hey, littlest Matthew, there's a freeway right there. Did you know that? There's a Highway 5 freeway, and that's a car wash. Arco. That's not Arco. That is. What's the name of this car wash? It's called Super Suds or Super Suds or something like that. You may press the button. What? Driving slow and low, that is the tempo. Hey ho, let yourself go. Slow and low, that is the tempo. Driving slow, that is the tempo. Hey ho, let yourself go. Slow and low, that is the tempo. No, wait for Daddy. Oh, littlest Matthew, that's who. The littlest Matthew, huh? I love the littlest one. The littlest Matthew right here. Wait for Daddy. Come here. dun diddle waji. One dun diddle, one dun diddle, one dun diddle waji. Littlest Matthew, come here. Okay, you want to go inside there with the car? You want to go inside the car wash? Are you okay? I know. So drive ahead, watch, ready, drive in now. Please wait, wash and use, enter code or enter code, okay? Don't step on this one, okay? Because you know that's owie. Okay. Watch out, there's another car there. Okay. I think you're gonna run out of room here.